I will be analyzing the essay assessment strategy and how it compares to other assessment strategies used in today's classrooms. An essay can be used in any subject and in any situation. As defined, an essay is a short piece of writing on a specific subject. This allows the teacher to manipulate its use to be beneficial to the class and the lesson. The essay is a way to develop and assess student knowledge at a deeper level. Students were more likely to employ deep learning approaches when preparing their assignment essays, which they perceived as assessing higher levels of cognitive processing. Karen Schaller says this in her article, The Influences of Assessment Method on Students' Learning Approaches, Multiple Choice Question Examination versus Assignment Essay. There are many great ways to practice the essay assessment, but first here are the different types of essays. First, the summary essay. Its goal is to foster active learning and critical thinking on a student's part by having them basically summarize the lecture and notes. The prompt structured essay is structured questions that assess student learning on an analytical level rather than a personal level, such as journals. And the third, an open-ended question essay, allows students to explore new approaches. Here are some examples on the best way to practice the essay assessment strategy. These examples were given in Woolcott and Lake's book, An Overview of Writing Assessment. The first example is the use of an open-ended question in a mathematics problem. This allows each student to approach the question his or her own way and find numerous ways to solve the problem. At the end of the problem, they put their findings into an essay format. The second example is the use of summary essay in subjects such as science. This allows the students to summarize their learnings in both the text and the lectures together. It allows students to organize their thoughts and notes. Practical application. Development. Develop the assessment to foster deep analytical learning on the subject. Develop the assignment to encourage personal views, preferences, and examples from their text and lecture. This makes the essay personal, which encourages deeper level of understanding. Develop the assignment prior to learning the subject. This allows the students to learn the information during the class related to their essay. Allow students to pick their prompt or essay topic. This encourages interest in the topic. Implementing the essay strategy can be used in any subject. Essays are typically known to be used in English and social studies subjects. These can also be used in math and science. This gives teachers a way to assess understanding on an analytical level in these subjects. Scoring an essay can be difficult because scoring differs based upon each essay assignment. As stated in Woolcott and Lake's book, science teachers are not English teachers. Their essays should not be scored based upon grammar and usage, but solely by content. As Richard Ley states in his book, Conducting Writing Assignments, be sure to address the grading and scores at the beginning of the assignment. It is important for the students to know what is expected of them when writing an essay. It was even suggested that the students assist in making the categories and traits required by the teachers. The best way to do this is by completing a rubric that states these categories and these different traits needed by the teacher. Student feedback is an important aspect in the essay strategy. Essay allows a lot of student feedback and self-evaluation. Students can receive feedback through peer reviewing essays. If students have fellow students look through their essay, it is beneficial to both parties in this process. It gives them a better understanding and different viewpoints in the class. Students can also go to the teacher for help if having difficulties.